Hello beekeepers. Like thousands of other beekeepers across the world, I've got enough hives where I need an extractor, but not enough hives where I need a full-time honey house. Nor really do I want one. So what I have done in just the recent past is I made up this extractor so I could move it around. I could go from the storage area over here after the air-conditioned work area is all cleaned up, lay down a big piece of plastic, extract, clean everything up, then move the extractor back over. Because in my area I never get a fall harvest. And for the first few years what I used was just one of those little dollies with the forecasters on it, and moving it through and it'd fall off, I'd put it back on. So after the second year of fumbling with it, I decided to make something a little more permanent. And what I did is the prototype was this little hinge with a steel caster that I just welded on, and I mounted that to the bottom of the base. But what I found out is that the pivot point was too close to the wheel, and whenever it hit something, boom, it would just flop back out and over. So I knew this wouldn't work. So what I did, and let me go through the base measurements for you now so you'll have those. This piece right here is 48 inches. The connector piece is 14 inches. I just cut off the angles just to make it look better. The tail piece back here is 33 inches. Now this piece of plyboard here is 33, and the plyboard back here is 23 and a half. So that is all the cuts that you need to make on this. So what I've done is this. Once you get the base made, you put your extractor on the top, you mark the holes where the base is, and these are 8-inch strap hinges. And the only thing you have to drill is a little bit on this hole right here, and these bolts are 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch. And what I did is mortise the hinge plate here so that it's recessed, and you just do that with a wood chisel, in that way that the edge of this hinge here is level with this 1/2 inch plyboard. Now, if you can see back here, you want to recess the hole about 1/2 inch, and then use the washer that fits that 5/16 by 2 inch galvanized carriage bowl that goes up through, which connects the extractor, of course. So when you get ready, I'll show you how this thing sets up. So you wheel it in from your storage area. All you do is pick up this wheel, flop it over. Pick up the wheel in the back, unfold that one, pick up this one, unfold that one. Take the 50-pound sandbags, put it on the end, the one over here in the tail section, and the one here. At this point, this thing is as solid as if you actually bolt it to the concrete floor. Now I've extracted the medium supers, that's what I use, and the only vibration or the flex you get are actually only in the stainless steel legs. The base does not move. Then you're ready to extract. I've extracted full frame honey in this thing. Once again, even with all that weight, the only flexing is in the stainless steel legs. The base does not move. And these are 50-pound sandbags. So when you want to move it again, you're all done. You're ready to clean up. Put it back into the storage area. Pick it up. Fold it over. Pick up. Fold over. And fold over. Now, for the casters, I would suggest using 3-inch I think they're polyurethane wheels. Steel wheels are just too hard. If you hit any little debris in the floor, it just like stops. At least the rubber wheels will roll over it. Then all you got to do is wheel wheel it back out to your storage area, and wait till next year. A note on these sandbags: make sure you double bag the sandbags with the material, but on the inside, make sure you double bag with garbage bags. Otherwise, just the minor flexing in the legs right here will make that sand filter out through the bags, and the garbage bags will stop it. Now, I learned that from experience, so if you do it as you're filling the bags, and if you fill it in a 5-gallon bucket, it makes it much easier. So anyway, if you're in need of one of these bases, make it up and you'll never regret doing it. So other than that, this episode is over. Have a good day and good luck with your bees.